Hello, 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 beautiful people. Welcome back. So, for this hairstyle, I'm going to be starting with stretched hair, blown out hair, what have you. My method for stretching out my hair, it wasn't really intentional. I had my hair under wigs for a while. So, my hair was already in cornrows, and braid outs for sure will stretch out your hair. Twist outs, sure, but they don't do a great job, I feel like. But those are just a few options for you in terms of natural heatless ways to blow out your hair. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and comb my hair out. And once it's combed, I will go ahead and section out the parting, the swoop part. What do you call it? The side part. Yeah, that part. That's what I'm trying to, section out here. I'm just showing you now how I'm gonna go in with like a rat tail comb to clean out the parting a little bit more. So yeah, I wanted to do like a side swoop type situation. And like I said, I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but up until this moment back in 2023, I did cut my hair like really short. And it at this point it had been a year and some months. Yeah, I'm basically 3 months shy of 2 years. So that's what's going on with my length. It's not the same as before. But anyways, so back to the style. I am going through to just brush my edges out because my hair was in braids. That line of demarcation, is still kind of visible. So a good way to solve that problem really is to go over it with a brush. So that's what I'm doing. I'm brushing the perimeters of my hair and then putting the hair in a ponytail, a low ponytail at the back. So now with the side parting, I'm just taking the hair and, pushing it to that direction where I want it to go. I will be using bobby pins to pin it in place. Yeah, so the swoop, it came out okay. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out, you know what I mean? But I think that's really due to the length of my hair, really. But anyways, what you want to do is just go through and pin the hair as you push it and swoop it backwards. I am swooping it backwards because I want it to blend with the ponytail. And because I'm trying to blend it with the ponytail, there was a little bit of hair left that I had to add, to the ponytail itself. So as you can see, there you have it. Now for this style, I didn't want to use gels or anything. I thought, it's cute just to leave the hair in its natural frizzy state. I am using the Expression hair, and I love it because of its texture, the curl pattern, and the bounce. So that's what I'm going to be using for my hair. And so I took just a few pieces from the bundles, and I don't know how to explain it, but basically wrap a hair tie or a scrunchie around the middle of the hair. Anyway, just follow what I'm doing, please, and you'll be fine. So here I am wrapping the hair around my natural hair at the back. So I left my hair as is. If your hair is longer, definitely go ahead and like make your hair smaller, or put your hair in a smaller bun, right? So that this extension can wrap around your hair well. But the extension is pretty long too, so I think you'll be fine, honestly. And so I just used another scrunchie to secure the hair, the extension, onto my ponytail. You want to go through and make sure that you don't have any flyaways or anything like I did. And if you do find one, I think using a bobby pin or just going through and tucking it in should work. But yeah, this literally is the hairstyle. That's it. That's basically all I did, y'all. Super easy, super simple. But here's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will try the hairstyle as well. Please let me know if you did try it, how it went, what your thoughts are. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.